Hello friends, it's Daryl, and today we're going to do a follow-up video for how to repair LED Christmas lights. One of my most popular videos was one I did like 6 or 7 years ago, and the technology has changed a little bit, and we've got tools to make this job easier, so I want to show you what we're going to do to fix these. Half the string is on, half the string is off, and this is pretty much true for every kind of, or I should say the vast majority kind of light bulbs, where half string goes out and half string doesn't. What happens is electricity flows along the wires. Current is carried down the line through the filament in each bulb, but there's also what they call a shunt in each bulb, and that shunt is what keeps current flowing when a light bulb burns out. But sometimes the shunt goes bad too, so we have to check it. Touch point current connector. What you do is you push the button and hold it against a wire. It'll tell you if there's current going through that wire. See that right there? That wire has current. That wire has current. And you gotta be careful not to keep it. The tool can't be too close to the wires. You have to spread the wires out a little bit and check it an inch or two down, like where my finger is right there, to make sure you don't pick up the electricity coming through the other side. In order to test the internal shunt, we're going to see if there's current flow on both sides of the wire going up to that light bulb. So we're going to touch each wire individually and make sure it lights up on both sides of the light assembly. Start at the beginning of the strand, isolate the wires going to each plug like this, and then test each side of it. When you get to one that doesn't have current on both sides, you've most likely found your one with a bad bulb or bad shunt or both. And we're going to remove, unscrew, or pull apart the glass cover there, the plastic cover, because the light bulb is inside of that. This is the LED light bulb assembly, and if you look at it, it's almost the same kind of setup as the old incandescent Christmas light string lights had. It's a tapered plug pushed into a socket and little wire pins on each side to connect. So we're going to pop this out and try a known good bulb in this hole. You can also use your multimeter to test the individual bulb by touching one probe end to each side of the wire connector on the bulb and see if there's resistance. There should be at least 15 to 20 ohms of resistance going through it. Once we've checked that, we install the good bulb back in, and boom, just like that, they're all working again. Of course, now the other set is totally dead, so I'm going to have to find a way to get replacement LED units for this particular type of service. And you're going to need one of these touch point sensors too. You can pick them up for less than 10 bucks at AutoZone or Harbor Freight, or you can order them online through one of the links that I'm putting here on the video. However you want to do it, but this is a really handy tool. You can use it to check outlets in your house, verify the power is out before you repair a plug or switch, and generally use it to do all kinds of useful things. Very good tool to have in your toolbox. I really consider it a must-have item. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and have a Merry Christmas and holiday season. Wishing you all the best.